So, I want to share with you a tip that I learned recently. When you are trying to market your business, I know that you are not more than likely getting as many engagements, but that's okay. Here's a trick that you should do to basically increase your algorithm to get more people to see your products. It's not all about the likes at the end of the day or views, it's about getting a successful transaction. So here you go. First thing you do is select the photo that you want, open up Instagram and get it to your liking, and go ahead and click the arrow and go to the bottom where it says advanced settings. And here is the very cool trick where it says write alt text. Go ahead and put in the description of the photo, which will ultimately increase your algorithm. If you are stumped on alt text, I would suggest a really neat trick. If you can find an item on, I don't know, maybe Amazon or just Google, they obviously know what they're doing, so there's nothing wrong with piggybacking. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the course set details and go ahead and click submit and upload. Go ahead and upload. And if you do want to go back to a photo that you previously uploaded, you can definitely go ahead and edit the alt text as well. See where it says alt text edit, and you can go ahead and change it as many times as you want. And I hope that this helps you guys.